Hello everyone, welcome back. Aydin is here and today we are diving into one of the most questions I get asked in Dubai real estate market. Should I buy an off-plan property or ready property? So both options are come with their benefits and challenges, but which one is right for you depends on your goals, budget and timeline. So let's break down the pros and cons of each one to help you decide better and decide smarter for your investment in Dubai. Before we jump into the benefits and challenges, let's clarify the difference. What is off-plan? Off-plan properties are the properties that's under construction or they are in the planning stages. So, and one important thing is that you're buying the property from the developer directly, based on architectural plan or digital models and rendering, and sometimes a show apartments. And the property might complete in a few months or sometimes it can take several years. Ready properties. As the name suggests, ready properties are apartments that are ready and you can move into, rent out or flip. And also you can physically visit the property, and if you like what you see, buy it immediately. Both options have their unique appeal, so let's dive into the details. The benefits of buying off-plan properties. Buying an off-plan properties has gained massive popularity in Dubai due to its flexibility and potential financial rewards. Here is why many investors prefer it. 1. Lower initial price. So off-plan properties are often offered at lower price than ready properties. Developers want to attract early investors, so they offer competitive pricing that in many cases is significantly below the market value. And this makes off-plan accessible, and even if you have a smaller initial budget. Number 2, flexible payment plan. Developers in Dubai frequently offer a flexible payment plan for off-plan properties, so making it easier for investors to spread out the cost. For example, you might pay 10% or 20% upfront as a down payment, then smaller payments throughout the construction period. Then the final amount upon completion. It's an attractive option if you don't want to lock all your funds. So number 3 is potential for a capital appreciation. If you buy an off-plan property at a good price, there is a good potential for capital appreciation by the time it's completed. As the property nears completion, the value may rise and allowing you to gain from market appreciation even before you've paid the full amount. In fast-growing market like Dubai, this is a significant advantage. Next one is about customization option. With off-plan properties, you might have the option to customize certain aspects like layouts, finishes, or even some materials. With developers offer standard options, they're often open to some minor changes, especially in the early stages of construction. The next reason is high ROI. So since you are buying at a lower price and there is a possibility of market appreciation, off-plan properties tend to offer high returns on investment, ROI. This is especially true for areas experiencing high demand and rapid development. Now let's look at the potential downsides of buying off-plan. So the biggest downside of off-plan is the waiting time. Depending on the project, it can take from 1 to several years. And there is not good and ideal cases for who's looking for immediate rental income or quick resale. Can be ideal. Next one is developer risk. The success of your off-plan investment, depends on developers' ability to deliver the project as promised. So most of the developers, of course, in Dubai are reputable, but there is always the risk of delays or, in rare cases, cancellations. This is why it's crucial to research the developer's track record before investing and get help from a reliable and seasoned realtor. So the last one is lack of tangible assets. When you buy off-plan, you are investing actually in an idea. You can't physically inspect anything. And while digital rendering look great and perfect, the final product may differ slightly. This might not sit well with the investors who prefer to see exactly what they're buying it. Now let's switch gears and talk about ready properties. These are fully constructed, ready to use properties and that offer immediate advantages. So first of all is immediate ownership and use. With a ready property, you can move in, rent it out, or sell it immediately. There is no waiting period, which is perfect for investors who want instant returns or a place to live in right away. Next reason is rental income from day one. One of the biggest benefits of a ready property is that you can earn money from rent it out immediately. In a city like Dubai that rental yields are high, it can be a huge advantage for investors looking for steady cash flow. Next one is established communities. Many ready properties are in established communities with completed amenities and infrastructure, and you don't have to wait for parks, schools, shopping centers. They're already there. So this can add immediate value and convenience. Of course, ready properties come with their own set of challenges also. One of them is high purchase price. Ready properties are generally more expensive than off-plans since they are already completed and available for immediately use. So you are often paying a premium for convenience, and this can make ready properties less accessible for the first time or budget conscious buyers. Next one is immediate payments requirements. With the ready properties, you usually need to pay the full price or get financing immediately, unlike off-plan's attractive flexible payment plans. And this can mean a larger initial investment which might not be suits everyone. Next one is lower capital appreciation. While ready properties offer stable rental income, their capital appreciation potential can be lower compared to off-plan. Since you are buying at market value, the room for a growth might be less than a similar off-plan property. And the last reason is older condition. If you are buying a resale ready properties, it may show signs of wear and tear depending on its age, of course. And this could mean additional cost for maintenance or renovation, which is something you wouldn't have to worry about with a brand new off-plan property. But the question is, which one is right for you? The choice between off-plan and ready properties depends on your personal circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Choose off-plan if you're looking for a lower upfront cost, you're open to a flexible payments plan, you're willing to wait for potential capital appreciation, you're comfortable with market and developer risk, and also you have a reliable and seasoned realtor beside yourself. And choose ready property if you want immediate returns throughout rental income, you prefer lower risk and immediate ownership, you're ready with paying a premium for a completed property, you need a property in an established community. Both off-plan and ready properties offer unique advantages in Dubai's real estate market. Off-plan is great for those who want to maximize ROI and are comfortable with the longer timeline, and ready properties are ideal for those who looking for immediate use, lower risk and stable rental income. Whichever option you choose, Dubai's real estate market has something for everyone. I hope this breakdown helps you make a more informed decision. And thanks for watching me, and stay tuned as we explore more about investing in Dubai's real estate market. I am Aydin, a real estate agent in this beautiful city, and if you have any question about investing and buying properties in Dubai, feel free to ask.